When I joined Family Ministry School, I had no idea what to expect, but I can say really it was a life-changing experience. I learned so much about myself, about the relationships I grew up with, and about my relationship with God. And now I feel like a completely different person. I feel so much more equipped, not just to be a Christian, but to live my life, to love the people I love in a real pure kind of way. During the process of Family Ministry School, it was very real to me, and I had the chance to make it impact my family, all the information I learned, to really put it into action, to transform my life, to transform my family. I feel so privileged to have had the opportunity, and I know God is really using this school to do great things, because you can't just define it to one or two areas that you learn about, but it's your whole life. And like I said, I'm so privileged because finally at this stage in life I get to learn the real important things about who I am, about my purpose in this world. So praise God.